Oh yeah, look at that. What is it?
An egg in there.
Oh my god.
Mom, look what I found.
Oh my god, that's cute. It's an egg inside an egg. See, open it. Or you want to get all your eggs and then you open it at the end.
Whoa.
Yeah, put it in your basket for now.
Whoa, good job. You found that one right away. Whoa, another one? Oh my gosh.
Want me to tell you if you're getting hot or cold?
No.
Because there's not any over there. Easter Bunny didn't want to put them where there might be cat pee or poop. There's none over here. It's only in the plants and on the grass.
Ooh.
One was in there.
Oh yeah.
In the plant.
Oh my gosh.
I found the blue one.
Oh.
There was a purple one in the olive tree. Another one. Another purple.
Oh yeah. Whoa. You're a good egg finder.
A red.
Whoa. Whoa.
There's none over here.
I found Finny.
Whoa. I don't know. We want to check back here? See if there's any.
Eggs on this table.
You see any? But I don't know.
Hey!
Whoa.
Is there a story party? I feel scared.
I don't know. I don't know what it is.
No, there's not any back
I don't see any back here. Oh wait. Yeah, is there any in the plants?
some that are taller than your head. Oh, good job.
Oh yeah.
It's the same as this one.
You're right. You see any in those plants right there?
Let me see if it's in this one. No.
No? Wait, maybe if you look, yeah, sometimes look up a little bit.
Like, you can still reach it. But
Hmm.
I think you're looking too high.
Whoa.
Whoa!
Whoa.
Oh my gosh, it opened. We got to pick it up. Pick it up. Yeah, I'll help you hold that.